election for the 542 seats in the 18th Lok Sabha, known as one of the grand celebrations of democracy in India, was completed last June.
It is history in India.
In this election,
third time NDA form a government. It is third time.
and express their opinion.
ভারতবর্ষের ইতিহাস।
Elect representative
ভারতবর্ষের ইতিহাস।
This assembly extends its heartfelt thanks and congratulations to the electorate, all the elected representatives of the newly formed 18th Lok Sabha and the newly formed central government. We all know that in the general election of the 18th Lok Sabha, the NDA coalition led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi formed a stable and strong central government for the third consecutive time. In this regard, the country's electorate has once again shown their leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, the nation has already witnessed various public welfare, transmission and significant process in India's development and advancement. Especially during the past two terms since 2014, there has been notable progress in economic development, infrastructure development, realistic social reforms and international diplomacy. The good government government and the commitment of the nation reflected in the minds of the people in this election. The primary objective of the NDA government led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is to improve the quality of life for the people of India, accelerate the property and overall advancement of the country, and enhance India's global